Let's see how events work in React. Typically, almost all native events that are available within HTML are supported. If you want to get into the details, you can go to this link and it shows all the available events within React. Alright. Now let's say when we click on a company, we want to display a message. So let's do that. This is a company component, and on click we want to call a function, and this is how we call a function. On click, you can give any name here, and then you need to bind this event to this component. This here refers to company. Okay, and when you do this, you can access the function over here. Let's say we want to display a message like this. Okay, save it. There it is. So you get company clicked message here. Okay, now let's say you want to dispatch the event here and listen to it or catch it on the parent component right here. For that, instead of logging the message here, you can simply say this dot props on company click. So what we are doing here is, on click of the company component, we are passing a property as an event. This is a function. This function would be given a callback right here. This dot handle company click, and we need to bind this function to this component. Okay, copy this. Now if you try to run this application, it won't work. It will give you an error saying that handle company click is not defined. What we are doing here is, we are calling a function and binding it to the company. The function is not visible outside of map. Let's just try it out. Save it, refresh. There it is. It says cannot read property handle company click. That's because on company click, this function is not bound outside of this map function. For this to work, we need to bind list of all these companies to this component, which is app. To do that, we have to give this while mapping. Okay, save it, refresh. Now the error will be gone. If you click, the company click function is being called. Now let's say we want to know a particular company that we have clicked. To do that, you can pass the respective company item right after this value, and you can access it within the function like this. And if you want to display the company name and description, you can do that. Save it, refresh, click Google Infosys. Google Infosys. Okay, so that's how events work in React. Again, we'll look into more details when we create the sample application later on in this series. Stay tuned and subscribe. Cheers.